What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video again. Big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how I make cabbage with saltfish. Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. Guys, I hope you like this video. I'm just washing off this cabbage with some salt water. Yeah. So let me have a now just cut up the cabbage. Yeah. Get it ready. I took out the saltfish already, and I put the saltfish just for soak in some water. Yes guys, I'm finished with my cabbage. Rinse my cabbage in some salt water. Cut up my cabbage. And I'm going to put in my saltfish. Here is my saltfish. I have here in some water. Then I just wash it off and just cut it up. And just put it in my saltfish. So let me put my cabbage in my container right here. And this starfish don't have no bone in it. It's totally different than one with the Jamaica. So that's how I just cut it up. Rinse it off with some water, soak it, rinse it off, and just put in the saltfish, in the cabbage. Nothing, no skin on it neither for scrape off or anything like that. I'm just going to put the saltfish in the cabbage. So I'm going to put in my carrot now. You can use your carrot or your pumpkin, and you can use both of them. Anyone you're rather. I'm going to never use the 2 carrots. So I'm going to use 1. Here I have, this is what I'm going to put in my cabbage with saltfish. Gonna put a piece of thyme, some chopped onion, tomato, and some green sweet pepper, and I'm gonna put it in a container with my cabbage. I'm gonna put some butter. I don't have my Scotch brown pepper, so I'm gonna put some butter. Gonna put, this is what I'm gonna use for my pepper. You have many ways can look about your steamed cabbage with the saltfish. You can put your seasoning in the pot and you throw the cabbage in there, and you can have all different ways. Some of us do it the way I see my mother do it. Yeah. Just I put little spice in there, because I'm not putting no salt in there because this have all of the salt in there already. So I'm going to put on the pot now and make the pot well hot. Put a little bit of oil in there and then mesh. See you in the next clip, okay? Yes guys, putting my oil in the pot now. Not put a whole lot of oil because I have butter in the cabbage already. And the saltfish having salt already, so I'm not putting no salt in there, just little all-purpose we put in there. Yeah, just add get little flavor. Yeah, so see, not much oil. I'm gonna put in my cabbage. Just gonna use my hand. Just mix around everything. I'm just gonna put it in the pot now. I'm not gonna put any water in there. Water that I got spring up in there, so I'm not gonna put any water in there, okay? So I'm gonna cover it now, make it steam for about 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the after look, okay? This is the first time I'm taking off the cover and I put it on. And it smells good. That is the thyme. Very powerful herb. Yeah. Just smell the saltfish. Yeah. See? I'm gonna put no water in there, you see? The butter and the water of the cabbage. Yeah. Guys, this is a finished look of my steamed cabbage with saltfish. This is my finished look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Big up on yourself. I'm going to fix it up now for presentation. So hope you enjoyed this video. Big up on yourself. Subscribe, share. Please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. And tell me all about it when I try it. Bless. Guys, I just make this cabbage and saltfish steam for only 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm going to share it out now. And it looks colorful. I'm going to have this now with some tonka meal, Jamaican tonka meal. Yeah.